What time do you wake up daily? What time do you wake up daily?
I wake up at 6 every morning. I wake up at 6 every morning. When do you usually have breakfast? When do you usually have breakfast?
I have breakfast around 8 o'clock. I have breakfast around 8 o'clock.
What do you do after breakfast? What do you do after breakfast?
I read the newspaper for a while. I read the newspaper for a while. Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea in the morning. I usually drink tea in the morning. Do you take rest in the afternoon? Do you take rest in the afternoon?
Yes, I rest for a short while. Yes, I rest for a short while. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10. I go to bed around 10. How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for about 7 hours. I sleep for about 7 hours.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
I am reading today's newspaper. I am reading today's newspaper. What are you cooking in the kitchen? What are you cooking in the kitchen?
I am cooking rice and vegetables. I am cooking rice and vegetables.
Where are you going this evening? Where are you going this evening?
I am going to the market. I am going to the market. What is he doing outside? What is he doing outside?
He is watering the plants now.
He
Is watering the plants now.
Is it raining outside right now? Is it raining outside right now?
Yes, it is raining quite heavily. Yes, it is raining quite heavily.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I love fish curry and rice. I love fish curry and rice. Do you like traveling to new places? Do you like traveling to new places?
Of course, I love traveling a lot. Of course, I love traveling a lot. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is deep blue. My favorite color is deep blue.
Which season do you like most? Which season do you like most?
I like winter more than summer. I like winter more than summer.
What is this fruit called? What is this fruit called?
It is called a mango. It is called a mango.
What do you dislike the most? What do you dislike the most?
I dislike waiting in long queues. I dislike waiting in long queues. Whose bag is this on the sofa? Whose bag is this on the sofa?
It is probably our neighbor's bag. It is probably our neighbor's bag.
Where do you keep the keys? Where do you keep the keys?
I keep them on the table. I keep them on the table.
Where is my black umbrella? Where is my black umbrella?
It is behind the front door. It is behind the front door.
Why do you look so tired? Why do you look so tired?
I worked a lot today, honestly. I worked a lot today, honestly.
Why does he look so worried? Why does he look so worried?
He is worried about his job. He is worried about his job.
Can you speak any other language? Can you speak any other language?
Yes, I can speak a little Hindi. Yes, I can speak a little Hindi.
Where did you go yesterday evening? Where did you go yesterday evening?
I went to visit an old friend. I went to visit an old friend.
Did she call you this morning?
Huh?
Did she call you this morning?
Yes, she called around 9 o'clock.
Yes.
She called around 9 o'clock. Where were you an hour ago? Where were you an hour ago?
I was sitting in the garden. I was sitting in the garden.
Have you finished reading that book? Have you finished reading that book?
Not yet, but I will soon. Not yet, but I will soon. What are your plans for next month? What are your plans for next month? What are your plans for next month?
I plan to visit my hometown. I plan to visit my hometown. Will you call me after the meeting? Will you call me after the meeting?
Yes, I will call you right after. Yes, I will call you right after.
How long have you known her? How long have you known her?
I have known her for years. I have known her for years. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise almost every single day. I exercise almost every single day.